for another cap video. I thought we'd do something a little different today. Thought we'd talk about value. This right here is a Boston Scally flat cap. It's a poly wool blend. Sells for about 50 to 60 bucks. It's a nice cap. It's mass produced Chinese cap though that has some sizing irregularities and quality issues, but a nice cap all the same. You know, the problem with the wool poly blend is polyester is basically a plastic. It doesn't breathe well, and if you're wearing it on a hot day like today, it's gonna make you sweat. For that same 50 bucks, if you don't mind doing a little bargain hunting on eBay, Etsy, or Poshmark, you can buy the Rolls-Royce of European flat caps here. I got this Wigens wool, 95% lamb's wool and 5% cashmere cap on eBay. It's absolutely beautiful. Wigens is basically known as the top tier luxury European hat brand. They're located in Sweden. They've been making caps since 1906 and supply sheepskin hats for the Scandinavian royal families. You can see this cap is in like new condition, and that's because of the quality textiles that they use on these things and the superior manufacturing process that they use. Again, both caps about 50 bucks. Give you a look at the Boston Scally cap first. It's got a cotton liner. Unfortunately, it has the plastic here that tends to stick to your bald head if you're a little sweaty. It's got your kind of standard flat cap look. I mean, I like this cap a lot. I've worn it quite a bit over the last couple of years. I've reviewed quite a few Boston Scally caps. Kind of got that classic flat cap look. Now I want you to take special note on how far that cap sticks past my nose in the bill. And here's the Wigens flat cap. And the first thing you're going to notice is this larger, more squared off bill. I mentioned that because what it does is that more squared off bill frames the face more. It's also a lot more functional because it sticks out faster and gives you more protection from the sun and elements. Plus, I like the look a lot better because it has this larger bill, sits a little deeper on the back of your head on the occipitable bone, that it gives you this more aggressive forward cant. That's known to hatters as forward bias. And you can see the difference compared to, say, how this Boston Scally flat cap looks and fits. Again, it's a completely different look. The Wigens also has this satin liner. Again, to show you what it's made out of. I just absolutely love Wigens. Again, I love them again because of the unique look that bill gives them. I mean, again, it's just a really cool look. Show you the difference in how that Boston Scally bill looks. Do you see how it's shorter and it's more of a crescent around? And so when you're wearing it, it doesn't frame your face as much. It kind of just goes like this. And again, that's a look that some people like. I'm just pointing out the differences. Again, you see how the Wigens kind of frames the face a little more. It just gives a different look. And you can tell by how far that shade falls down on my face from the sun above compared to the Boston Scally that it's giving me a lot more eye protection. You're not going to find a better quality cap than a Wigens out there. Again, they're known as the Rolls-Royce of headwear for a reason, and they've been making caps from 1906 for a reason. Their caps are blocked on Swedish Elderwood, and they're handmade, and they really do have their own unique look. They make newsboy caps. I've reviewed a few of those on the channel. They make flat caps in this style. They also make duck bills and pub caps, various winter hats, and some different fedoras type hats and baseball caps. And they make all kinds of hats, basically. The really nice thing about the 95% lambswool with the 5% cashmere is that cashmere really gives it a nice hand, makes it very soft and not itchy, and just really kind of steps up the quality and feel of the cap. Also, this navy blue with the gray and light blue window pane pattern is a British pattern that's historically used for a lot of men's sporting wear in that. You can dress it up and wear it with a suit, or wear it casually with a wax cotton jacket and a flannel. Again, that's one of the great things about Wigens is they are a functional quality luxury brand. They're made to be used. They're made out of weather-resistant wools. A lot of them come with ear flaps because, again, they're made for Scandinavian winters. I can't recommend Wigens enough. If you're going to spend $60 on a cap for this, or you're going to do a little bargain shopping on eBay and get something for like this for 50 bucks. And I've picked up other ones for even cheaper than that. It's a great place to go. eBay, Poshmark, or Etsy. I buy a lot of Filson products off of there for the same reason. Like, subscribe, and share. Hit that notification bell down below. You'll get email notifications when the new videos come out. Check out the Gentleman's Roundtable live streams every Tuesday at 7:30. The episode we did last night with Mike from Zia Hatters was a lot of fun. I'll put a link to that episode at the end of this video if you want to check it out on replay. I highly recommend it. See ya. another video today. I thought maybe today we'd do something a little different and talk about value and money. This right here is a Boston Scally flat cap. It is a wool poly blend. It sells for between 50 and 60 bucks. You know, it's a nice cap if you like mass-produced Chinese product.
Mike from Zia pulling up slow. GRT tour bus broke down outside town. Now we packed in his ride back through Zia hat maker's hometown. Windows up, smoke rolling heavy. Zia on the dome while the whole van cruise. Too much smoke got the boys feeling loose. Moose yell snacks, now the whole crew move. Cheese and crackers got us locked in the groove. Cheese and crackers pass that box around. Crumbs on the seats while the bass line pound. And ox laughing, 508 zoned out. Dubs yelling, what's this about? Mike got the windows fog thick as soup. Now the whole round table higher than the moon. Cruising through his hometown with the late night grin. Bought generic cheeses in the yellow bin. One bite hit and the room went still. Everybody crunching like it's some five-star meal. Orange dust all over, scally cap brims, talking cap love while the reggae spinning. June 2nd, 7:30 Central. Gentlemen, Roundtable, Zia hat maker.
From somewhere beyond the brim, beyond the smoke, and just past 7:30 p.m. Central, a gathering of gentlemen discussing caps culture and whatever else drifts into the night. The Gentleman's Round Table. Every Tuesday, 7:30 Central, 8:30 Eastern, where the conversation goes beyond the caps.
Thanks for watching. Check out our merch store down below.